Haryana and Maharashtra debacle, while the trust in the Congress led by Rahul Gandhi is going down, the chorus to make Mamata Banerjee the face of the India bloc seems to be getting louder. Today, ahead of the day's proceedings of the winter session of the Parliament, the opposition MPs held a protest in front of the Makar Dwar in Parliament premises on the Adani issue. And guess what? The TMC MPs decided to give it a miss. Sources in the TMC said that the party's leadership had identified 5 issues that it wants to be discussed in both houses of the Parliament. These issues are inflation, unemployment, deprivation of housing and other funds for West Bengal, as well as fertilizer shortage and violence in Manipur. Missing from the agenda is the Adani indictment. In fact, the TMC MPs have been distancing themselves from the India bloc for quite some time. Their members have not been attending the daily strategy meeting of the opposition. Also, during the current session of the Parliament, remember, the issue has come up time and again, but the TMC has not really extended its support to the India bloc. The question is, has the Adani issue widened the cracks in the India bloc? Listen in to what Kirti Azad said today.
Mamata Banerjee is the tallest leader of the India bloc. She is the one. Every time Modi came, tried to insult the people of West Bengal, tried to insult the culture, the tradition of West Bengal, tried to insult Mamata Bandyopadhyay. Every time she became stronger, and she's the only one who has stood there strong. So obviously she shouldn't be the leader of the Indian bloc.
My colleague Sabir Sachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Sabir Sachi, clearly the TMC has told the Congress party Adani is not the key issue to be raised. They've said time and again that there are other people-centric issues that should be raised, but the Congress party not getting the message.
Well, that's right. See, the Congress party is not getting the message from the Trinamool Congress and also from the left front. In fact, see, the Trinamool Congress from the very beginning of the winter session have maintained its distance from the parliamentary floor leader meeting, which is being called by Mallikarjun Kharge every day at around 10 a.m. In the Parliament, the Trinamool Congress MPs are holding a separate meeting, in fact, in the Parliament. Now, today's protest, which was called in by the Congress party, it was led by Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Now, the Congress, in fact, had decided to change their strategy.
Okay, all right. So, will there be changes in strategy or not will be interesting to see. Sabir Sachi, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those inputs. We're shifting our attention